In this tutorial, we will review creating a foreign key between two tables with the functionality of Devart SQL Manager. The process of creating a foreign key is quite simple. Let's assume that we have two tables and we need to link them through a key field, and there is no relation between the tables yet. To create a foreign key, we need to go to the pop-up menu of the child table and select the New Foreign Key command, or we can open the table editor. Select the Constraints tab, and in the pop-up menu select the New Foreign Key command. The secondary panel will open on the right side of the screen, on top of the current window. In that panel, we can select the table we will be referring to. Let's specify what columns will be used for that relation. Keep in mind that data types between the columns must be identical. Also, we can specify delete rule and update rule for the foreign key and preview DDL of the table. Press the Apply Changes button to save your changes to the database. A foreign key has been successfully created. Just download a 30-day free trial version of dbForge Studio and check out yourself how fast and effortless the database development and management can be.